In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to withdraw money from Stripe to PayPal. The key idea is that Stripe doesn't send money directly to PayPal. Instead, you'll first pay out to your bank account from Stripe. Then move those funds from your bank into your PayPal balance. I'll walk you through it clearly and share a few practical tips along the way. Start by signing into your Stripe dashboard. Head to Settings, then look for Business Settings and open External Accounts. Here, link the bank account that will receive your payouts. Make sure the account details match the name on your Stripe account and that you are using the correct currency for your region. If Stripe asks for additional verification or shows prompts to confirm your bank, follow those on-screen steps so payouts aren't delayed. Once your bank is linked and active, you are ready to move your balance. Next, go to the Balances section in Stripe and click Payout. Choose the amount you want to transfer to your linked bank. You'll typically see two timing options. Standard payouts usually take a few business days to arrive, depending on your country. Bank processing times, and your payout schedule. If you are eligible for instant payouts to a supported debit card or bank, you can use that to receive funds typically within 30 minutes. Keep in mind that instant transfers often include a small fee, and availability varies by region and bank. Also note that weekends and bank holidays can affect when the money lands, so check any cutoff times and your payout schedule in Stripe if timing is critical. Once the payout clears and the money appears in your bank account, switch over to PayPal. Log in, go to your wallet or main balance view, and select Transfer Money. Choose the Add from Bank option. Pick the same bank account where your Stripe payout arrived. Enter the amount you want to move into your PayPal balance and confirm the transfer. If this is your first time moving funds from that bank into PayPal, ensure the bank is already linked and confirmed in your PayPal settings so the transfer proceeds smoothly. Transfer times can vary by region and bank, but you'll usually see an estimate before you finalize. Keep an eye on your PayPal activity for any pending status or verification messages. That's it, Stripe to your bank, then bank to PayPal. Take a moment to double-check amounts and timing, and you'll have your funds where you need them. Thanks for watching.